So far I'm happy with the results that came through. I think I'm gonna change the color soon. I'm not sure about the color, but I'm thinking of making it a bit darker, lower it a bit. I think it's too high. Somebody commented on the previous episode that don't you consider maybe lowering it a bit? And I said nah, but now when I look at it, damn, I must lower it a bit. I'm thinking as well for getting mud flaps. There's a very good guy in Moscow who's gonna send through the visors on the side, and it's chrome, so I'm happy for that. I think it's plain here. I'm not sure if I need trimmings or something, but it looks like it's plain. And I need a roof rack. If I can get a chrome roof rack, it will be a bonus. I don't know where to get it, but it's just in my thoughts. And yeah, mud flaps. And the interior, I'm still busy with it, so I'm hoping I will get it right. I need to do the roof and the carpet, and I'm still busy with the wiring of the sound system. I've included the interior lights as well, and I think it's coming right, slowly but surely. And I'm happy with the performance as well. There's a bit of noise on the prof shaft. I don't know if it's the diff or I need to check and maybe replace whatever that needs to be replaced so that it can be quiet. But overall, what do you think, guys? With this look, I think I'm going to give it a rating of 6.5. I'm not 100% sure. Actually, I'm not satisfied with this look yet. But the rating, I'm gonna give it 6.5. Maybe if I'm done with lowering it a bit, getting the mud flaps, roof rack if need be, and yeah, and the visors. But the performance, it's a 4-speed gearbox. Well, doing 120 on gear number 4, but well, I can't complain. It's drive nice. I've been using it. I've been driving it around, getting parts for other cars. I've been busy with clients' cars, so I haven't given it much time. But I think now I'm gonna concentrate fully on my cars, and I will make sure that I document as well, because I just do things and I forget to record. Sometimes I don't make notes. I do it and forget about it. But yeah, otherwise overall I'm happy with the performance of the car. I'm gonna try to drive it. I will see where, but I love KZN more. But I'll see where to go. Just cruise with it, and I'll document that as well. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking, and comment. I take advices as well, so please do so and share with whoever likes cars. And I do love cars. And my name is Davis Mohomo. Ke rekisa dikoloi. Cheers.